Have you ever noticed something strange? Some people walk into a room and suddenly everyone pays attention. Nobody tells them to, nobody announces them, they don't shout, yet respect follows them. Meanwhile, others talk louder, try harder, explain more, and still get ignored. Why? I used to be on the ignored side. At school, at work, in meetings and conversations, it felt like I was invisible. Then something changed. Not overnight, not with confidence courses, not with fake motivation. I changed 5 small habits, and suddenly, people listened. People asked my opinion. People took me seriously, without me talking more. Today, I'm giving you those 5 habits, from the simplest to the most powerful. You can start today. No money, no special talent, no fake confidence, just real social power. But first, understand this. Respect is not about being loud. It's not about being aggressive. It's not about showing off. Real respect is silent. People feel it before they understand it. Let's begin. Bow. 1. Build your presence first. Posture. Look around. Most people shrink themselves. Shoulders down, head low, back bent, like they're apologizing for existing. That kills respect instantly. Confident people do the opposite. They stand straight, chest open, head up. Not stiff, not proud, just relaxed and tall. Why does this work? Because your body speaks before you do. Before you open your mouth, people's brains already decide, should I take this person seriously? Fix your posture. You fix your first impression. Try it now. Sit up. Roll your shoulders back. Feel the difference? That's presence. Bow. 2. Master the power of slowness. Notice this. Important people never rush. They walk calmly, they talk calmly, they sit calmly. They act like time works for them. Insecure people rush. Fast talking, fast walking, fast reacting. Looks nervous, looks unsure. When you slow down, you look controlled, you look confident, you look stable, and stability earns respect. Start today. Walk 10% slower. Speak 10% slower. Move with intention. People will notice without knowing why. Bow. 3. Use eye contact properly. Most people avoid eye contact. Floor, phone, wall, ceiling, anything but eyes. That sends one message. I'm unsure. Strong eye contact sends another. I'm comfortable with myself. Here's the rule. Look 3 seconds. Look away 1 second. Look back. Repeat. Natural, calm, not creepy. When I started doing this, my opinions suddenly mattered. Same words, different energy. Practice everywhere. Shop, school, work, family. It changes everything. Bow. 4. Become a powerful listener. Here's a secret. People don't respect good talkers. They respect people who make them feel understood. Most people listen like this. They're waiting to talk. Not listening, waiting. Respected people do this instead. They focus fully. They nod. They respond thoughtfully. They ask real questions. When someone feels heard, they feel valued. When someone feels valued, they respect you. Next conversation, forget impressing, forget performing. Just understand. Watch what happens. Bow. 5. Control silence, the ultimate skill. This is the advanced level. When chaos happens, arguments, meetings, drama, problems, everyone talks, everyone reacts, everyone wants to be heard, except one person, the quiet one, the observer, the listener. That person becomes powerful because when they finally speak, everyone listens. Silence builds authority. Use it like this. Don't rush into noise. Let others finish. Think, then speak calmly. Short, clear, confident. That's leadership. Bow, the real secret. Now listen carefully. These 5 habits help, but they're not the real secret. The real secret is this. Respect starts inside. Posture equals respecting your body. Slowness equals respecting your time. Eye contact equals respecting your worth. Listening equals respecting others. Silence equals respecting your words. You can't fake that. People feel authenticity. They always do. Bow. Summary. Let's make it simple. 1. Stand like you belong. 2. Move like you're not in a hurry. 3. Look people in the eyes. 4. Listen deeply. 5. Speak less but better. Do this consistently and people will treat you differently. I've seen it. I've lived it. I've watched others change with it. Bow. Call to action. Now your turn. Pick one habit. Just one. Practice it for 7 days. Then notice how people respond, how conversations change, how respect grows. Come back and tell me what happened, because this isn't theory. It works.